Happy New Year, everyone. It's Angela here again. Today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make puff puff. In here I have 2 kilos of flour, 1 kilo each. I just pour both in my bowl. And I'm going to be using 1 liter of milk as well. Four eggs, just pour it in. In here I have nutmeg, salt, and yeast. Half a cup of sugar. I didn't use too much sugar because we're going to be using powdered sugar later, and that is the powdered sugar. And I'm going to be needing 2 liters of sunflower oil to fry it, and I'm adding raisins as well. So now I'm going to pour in the remaining milk, and I added water to get my desired texture, what I want. That is just how I want it. Now I'm going to pour in my raisins. Going to mix it all together, and I'm just going to put a cloth on top, that's a kitchen napkin, to let it rest for 1 hour. Now it has rested, so we're gonna start frying our puff puff now. Here we call it oliebollen. The Dutch call it oliebollen. So this is the Dutch style with the raisins in it. That is just how my children like it. So now my oil is hot enough. I'm just frying my puff puff, my oliebollen. It's so easy to make oliebollen puff puff. And that is it. I'm just going to fry it until they are all golden brown on both sides, then it's ready. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please help me build my page, help me build my YouTube channel, Angela's Easy Cooking. And thank you so much. God bless you all for joining me, and I hope I make it as easy as possible for you guys. Now my puff puff is ready. I'm just bringing them out. And thank you for sharing my videos. I appreciate you all the comments, all the love, like, I appreciate. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Now it's ready. Now we're going to add the powdered sugar to it and start eating. Yummy.